Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar for smarter scheduling. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed with juggling multiple appointments and endless reminders? Well, today, we have an exciting solution for you. We're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Gemini AI with Google Calendar to enhance your scheduling efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly use these tools to keep your personal and professional life organized. Let's get started and walk through each step in detail to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. To kick things off, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. This is an essential first step because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Once your browser is up, head over to the Google homepage. Now, one critical detail here is to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. This is especially important if you manage multiple accounts. Imagine the frustration of scheduling everything under the wrong account and having to fix it later. So double check that you're logged into the right one to avoid any future headaches. Now that you're on Google, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This might seem simple, but it's the gateway to accessing all the great features that Gemini has to offer. As the search results pop up, take a moment to scan through and find the official Google Gemini website link. Clicking on this link will bring you directly to the homepage, where you can explore what Gemini AI is all about. Once you land on the Google Gemini website, you'll want to start interacting with the platform. A practical first step is to create a prompt. For instance, you might want to schedule a meeting. You can enter a command like, at Google Calendar, schedule me a meeting with Alex on November 15th at 5 p.m. This is just one example of how you can clearly communicate your scheduling needs. Thanks to the advanced natural language processing capabilities of Gemini AI, it can understand and execute your command, simplifying the scheduling process immensely. After typing out your prompt, it's important to locate the Submit button on the page. This button is key because it tells Gemini AI to process your request. Before you hit Submit, take a moment to double-check your command. Ensure that all details are correct. This step is crucial to avoid any mix-ups or errors later on. Accurate information input is essential for effective scheduling. With your command submitted, the next step is to verify that everything is in place. Open up Google Calendar and navigate to the date you specified in your prompt. Check to see if the meeting with Alex has been scheduled at the correct time and date. If you find it there, then congratulations. You've successfully used Gemini AI to streamline your scheduling process. You've successfully used Gemini AI to schedule your meeting. However, if you don't see it, don't worry. Simply go back and review the steps to identify any minor oversight that might need correcting. And that wraps up our detailed tutorial on how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar right here on PMN Online. By integrating these tools, you can streamline your scheduling tasks and manage your time more effectively. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar, smarter scheduling. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.